Introducing the window buying experience that everyone's been looking for. KempWindows.com is the originator of being able to buy replacement windows 100% online. Kemp solved the frustration homeowners had when buying windows the traditional way. Scheduling multiple appointments, missing appointments, sitting through long window presentations, experiencing high-pressure sales tactics, conversing with inexperienced salespeople, receiving inferior window products. Motivated Kemp to create the easiest way to buy quality windows by making the buying process 100% online. Kemp provides a wealth of knowledge on their window products, including an easy-to-access window buyer's guide. Kemp provides a short video tutorial showing a brief demonstration of the functionality of your windows and instructions on how to count and determine the style of windows in order to enter into the window pricing calculator. No matter the size, each style window is one price. KempWindows.com has a 5-step process that spells out the simplicity when ordering windows with Kemp. You get a detailed breakdown on the Fusion window and the Mezzo window. Both the Fusion and the Mezzo window are AAMA certified, so you can't go wrong with whichever window you choose. KempWindows.com doesn't nickel and dime you on price, so whether you want grids or not, there's no upcharge. On the Get Started page, you can choose between the Fusion or Mezzo window. Select the number of windows needed for the style of windows you have in your home, and your price is calculated with no salesman needed. The great thing about KempWindows.com is we do the measuring for you, so leave that to us once you submit your order. Once your order is submitted, our relationship and production manager does everything for you, from verifying your window order, scheduling your window measurement, putting your windows into production, scheduling your window install, and getting a signed completion, ensuring you're satisfied with your window project. All done with no money out of pocket. Kemp is located in 43 cities across the country with local manufacturers and installers in each location. The Kemp way ensures our customers of not being taken advantage of and are assured to get a great job every time. Can you think of an easier way to buy windows for your home? Visit us at KempWindows.com.